Zach with Skudo. I wanted to come at you with a quick tip of the day for the HT commercial installation process. So on this project, we already have some wall lines laid out right here. As you can see, 2 chase walls, pretty much beauty walls. We're going to be covering up the steel with them. So instead of covering these lines up with the HT commercial system and getting the framers agitated at us, there's 2 things that you can do. One, lay the commercial system right to the outside line. So even if we are covering up the line, they still have this line here to line their track up and shoot it down. The HT commercial system is fire retardant and antimicrobial, so it can frame directly on it. In this situation, it's best for them not to protect all of this over to here, because none of this is going to be exposed on turnover. That's a pretty significant amount of waste if we look all the way down. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to that line. As you can see here, he's cutting it. What we did is we put a 32-inch control mark here, and then when we lay that system out on top of it, we're going to measure back from this line 30 inches, and then we're going to cut it on that line, and that's going to give us our overlap. We didn't spread the base coat out all the way here. We only spread the base coat 2.5 inches, so we got a good bond there, and all this mat can still be used. That'll be good use. Patchwork, little areas around columns, little nooks and crannies to put that down in. Option 2 is to go ahead and start your commercial system on this side, right where the overlap goes. When we're spreading the base coat, we're only going to spread the base coat to where their control line was for their studs that are going up. We didn't spread the base coat under this section, so that when we go and we cut this is all adhered down, and again, this can be used somewhere else, so it's not a waste. We did that all the way through. I just wanted to show you 2 options to kind of help you out when you're installing it, so you're not having a bunch of waste on your project.